Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open, and as we all know, and as we were expecting, that market would remain slow because of bank holidays around the world. So right after the market opening, we can see that gold is slipping. Not only gold, almost all the markets are slipping because the market is in holiday mode. So my dear friends, but keep in mind, though the market is open, but there is not much move. So as a result of which, in case you see any breakout or breakdowns, you need to be extra careful, because for a breakout or breakdown, market requires volume. If there is not much volume in the market, it means that there is a high chance of a false breakout. So as a result, today you need to be careful with any breakout or breakdown trades. In case during the US session volume comes up, then that's a different chapter. But as of now, when I'm recording the video, there is not much volume, and in this situation, in any market, if you see any breakout breakdown, you need to be extra careful, because today is a day when the reversal levels will work nicely. Okay, so let's talk about the chart of gold first. So overall, the levels that we discussed on Saturday are still the same. Nothing has changed. Okay, so right now we can see that on the 1 hour time frame, gold is trading inside a symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle is a bilateral pattern, means a breakout should come, okay, maybe towards the upside or downside. We don't know yet, because it's a bilateral pattern. In ascending triangle pattern, we know that breakout will come towards the upside. In descending triangle pattern, we know that breakout will come towards the downside. But in symmetrical triangle pattern, we need to wait for the right time. So today is a holiday, so if market shows also breakout, try to avoid any position. During the US session, if market goes for a breakout with a big candle, then that's a different thing. But if you see then market is going for a breakout, but the size of the candles are like this, then obviously you should avoid any position, because there's a high chance that at one point market will reverse. Okay, and in case market shows volatility and market starts falling, then 1936 should work as the support for today, because in this market situation, when there is very less volume and volatility, the reversal levels should work. Otherwise, in this type of market, when the market structure is bearish, when the sellers are dominating the market, levels like 1936 only works once. Okay, but today is a special day, so we can expect that during the day, if market comes down to 1936 level, we can expect a bounce and you can go for a buy position. Okay, so this is our first level, and as you can see, the line at the bottom is also acting as support. Okay, the line at the bottom is also acting as support. So if you want to take a buy position, you can also take a buy position if market shows support around the trend line. The line will be around 1940. Okay, the line or the level will be around 1940. If possible, try to draw a line like this so that you can trade precisely and trade accurately. Clear? So as a support, we have faith or trust on 1936 today, or 1936 or around 1936, because of the slow movements. Or the trend line is also present, but you need to be careful. Okay, and in case market breaks 1936, try to avoid any sell position if there is no volume in the market, because it can be a false breakout. Secondly, if market moves up, okay, if market moves up, then we have two reliable levels. First of all, not 1670, okay, first of all 1967. Okay, 1960, around 1967, it can be 1968 also, it can be 1966 also. Around 1967, we have the reliable resistance, or we have good amount of sellers present around this area. If you're wondering why we are talking about 1967-68 level, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore my existing viewers. So first level is obviously 1967 level as a reliable one, but for day trading purpose, and especially for today, we can also look for some sellers around 1955 to 1957 as well. This level is only important for today as the market is very slow. Okay, so if market shows a breakout, if market breaks the symmetrical triangle pattern, as I said, try to avoid if the size of the candle remained like this, and try to look for a sell position around 1955, 56, 57 level. This is a seller's zone here. Why? Because of previous price rejection around this area, as well as we have the 100 moving average coming down as well. So around 1957, you can definitely expect sellers, okay, will create some trouble and will not allow the market to move up that easily. If market reverses, definitely we can go for a sell position. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. If you're wondering about debt ceiling, then you can see gold falls as optimism raised on US debt ceiling deal. Gold falls in the morning Asian session, extending the decline last week as optimism around the US debt ceiling reduces demand for the safe haven asset. Gold price dented by US dollar rally with higher yields as debt ceiling moves recede. Okay, so this is the market situation right now. I don't think so that you should be trading on news right now, and you should be focusing on news completely. Okay, so try to act according to the market situation, because most of the time we see that market digests the news, okay, and market behaves accordingly. Probably you all have seen that news is positive but market starts falling. News is negative but market starts going up. Why does it happen? It only happens because market already digests the news. Okay, so market has a very good digestion power. Okay, we cannot deny that, and as a result of which news trading is so difficult. Okay, if you just, okay, as a layman, if you just talk about news trading, then it sounds very lucrative. Okay, it really sounds like very easy. Okay, news is positive, let's go for a buy. News is negative, let's go for a sell. My dear friend, if news trading would have been so easy, if news trading would have been so easy, there would not have been any unemployment problem in the whole world. All the people in the world would wait for just news to come out and trade accordingly. But it doesn't happen like that. Okay, because of news. Okay, so yes, following the market sentiment is extremely important, because news only give a direction to the market, and technicals help us with the entry and exits. We cannot deny that, but yes, we need to be careful. And as I said today, if the situation remains like this, then obviously instead of going for breakout and breakdowns, you should be focusing on reversal levels. Okay, and by the week, if news comes out to drive the market away, then we will obviously have to follow the trend of the market. But today there is not much volume, so we will try to go with the levels only. And as I always say, this is my analysis, my dear friends. I can be wrong as well. Okay, so follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.